come in with a misfire. Code is cylinder 1 misfire. Pull the spark plugs out. Here's cylinder 1 spark plug, cylinder 2, cylinder 3. So it was low on oil, so I thought I would do a compression test. So cylinder 1. That one's not too flash. All of 50 psi. Cylinder 2, let's go. That nearly runs on that cylinder. And it's cracking up to about 150. Right, now this is the doozy. Cylinder 3. Spark plugs are still there. So, cylinder 3, no trickery. Spark plugs are over there. Let's go. Watch this. It will run. It's running. On that. No spark plugs in the engine. How?